Agile transformation with Litt. Digitalization of the economy has affected business models and impacted how value is delivered to the customer. The COVID-19 pandemic has also greatly fast-tracked the need for virtual work, and businesses are scrambling to adjust to this new normal. As organizations pursue their digital transformation journey, some of the challenges faced include delivering operational value in ever-changing markets and fluctuating economies, aligning staff and stakeholders to the strategic purpose of the organization, lack of portfolio alignment and prioritization of best initiatives to deliver return on investment, difficulty in managing digital products like mobile apps, web platforms, and deployment of enterprise resource plans, the late delivery of products and services to customers, lack of alignment and collaboration between teams and departments, difficulty in tracking employee delivery and output, the overload of employees with tasks leading to employee burnout, difficulty in attracting and maintaining the right skill sets which are in high demand. There's also difficulty in tracking and prioritization of customer feedback. This leads to lack of innovation within most organizations. The roadmap or guide to actively deliver value and navigate the challenges posed by this digital age lies in the adoption of the agile ways of working. Agile is the most structured way of working that inspires innovation, collaboration, and alignment within a team and organization. This structured way of working provides an effective way to empower teams and individuals working within this hybrid work environment. Agile recognizes that while we use all kinds of technology, it is the people and the skills that the process that get the job done. How can jobs be designed so that work gets done effectively and people enjoy what they do and continue to contribute positively to the organization's performance? Do you want your organization to survive the digital age and continue to deliver value for your customers? Then get in touch with Litt for an executive brief and learn how you can transform your organization into a digital enterprise by adopting the agile ways of working. Adopt the operating system for the digital age by embarking on the enterprise agile transformation journey with Litt. Thank you.